All right, so we have a new project in the shop. It's a 1977 Ferrari 308 GTB. The customers that own this car, they track it, they abuse it, drive it, have a good time. But it was time for a cosmetic restoration. So we got it in, we're taking it over to the body shop. They're gonna tear it down, strip it all the way down to bare metal. We're gonna see what's there, do the repairs, get it painted. We're gonna go with a custom color on this one. These people like to have a lot of fun, and we're not gonna stick with just your standard Ferrari Red color. It's gonna be something really cool and different at the same time.
Dan just finished up sealing the bare metal on the Ferrari with the epoxy, and the epoxy seals the bare metal from corrosion, and it promotes adhesion for any filler or primer coats that come next. So we'll go ahead and we'll move that Ferrari out of the booth, and Luke and I will start on the bodywork.
Chris and I finished rust repair, pulled some dings, bodyworked the body and the panels to send off to Dan for a coat of poly primer. Then we're gonna get it back and final sand before paint.
Now we got to coat a sealer on the Ferrari. I'm going to base coat the whole car, then finish color coating, candy coating, and clear coating the jams. Then we're going to put the car together, and I'll finish painting the exterior from there. All right, so we got the car reassembled. The jams are all taped off. Now I'm gonna go back in, spray 2 more coats of base, 2 coats of candy over the whole exterior of the car, and then 3 coats clear. We just finished spraying the Ferrari. I'm gonna bake it for 45 minutes and then sand and buff it. This guy wants a real factory looking finish, so we're gonna do a real light sand and buff on it, then give it back to the guys in the body shop and they can put it back together.
Thanks for coming to our YouTube page. If you like what you see, make sure to subscribe. If you want notifications, click on the bell. If you want to buy some cool merch, click on the info card, or you can click on the link in the bio.